Today I'm doing my Brazilian. I'm gonna be doing my Brazilian waxing at home today. So the hair is not so long to the point where I have to do any trimming. So I'm just going to go in and start waxing. I'm using my Tres Wellness wax, right? So I'm gonna use it to clean the place, the area that I want to wax. I'm just gonna put my leg right here and put it out of the way. So it's time to apply the wax. I'm going to be starting from my inner thigh. I like the consistency of the wax. It is not too hot. And one of the things I love about this chest wellness wax is the fact that you don't have to use too much. Like, if your hair grows downwards, which that is how most of our hair grow downwards, all you have to do is you are going to apply the wax and like in the direction of your hair growth, okay? And then when you're ready to pull the wax, you're going to pull up like that. So you apply down like this and then you pull like that. So that's what I just did down here. You guys remember the last time that I waxed myself? It's been a while and now I'm just doing it again. So this wax really helps if it's something that okay. you know for some people that say, oh, when you wax yourself your hair is going to grow thicker, it's been more than 4 weeks and look at the hair. Okay, this is from my inner thigh that used to have a lot of hair and now the hair is not even so much. So it's not true that if you wax yourself your hair is going to grow thicker. That is just lies and propaganda. Okay, here you can see I have so little hair to wax. Oh, okay. So this belly hair can be very painful. Like I told you guys, if you know you can't handle the pain, all you have to do is to get yourself some numbing spray. You spray it down, wait for it to kick in, and you start waxing yourself. It is that simple. Look at that. As I'm applying, I'm going to be applying my cleanup strip as well. Cleanup strip means that when you wax a place, if there's still any hair around the area, you go over it again. Or I used to wait until I'm done, then I'll go over it again. But today I don't want to do that. I want to wax and clean up as I go. Why? Whew. Yes. Look at that. I'm so happy because if I had waited for such a long time to wax myself, the hair is going to be so long and thick and painful. So all you have to, the most painful part is the start. The beginning is the most painful part. The moment you start waxing yourself and you're consistent, trust me, the pain is going to go away. I'm going to apply downwards to the direction of my hair growth. Wow, look at that. I'm doing the Hollywood waxing where I remove everything. I always like to start from the corner, like from one side of the corner, because that way I'm able to create space from this side and this side. Applying pressure definitely helps. It definitely helps in. So one of the ways you can avoid pain is by waxing smaller portions, right? You don't apply everything at once. You are not going to be able to pull it out. So you just have to apply small portions and whew. See, this is what it looks like. If you go in smaller portions, it's going to really help reduce the pain. I took off this side, and now we have the middle parts. Okay, so now I'm going to apply downwards like that, but then when I apply downwards, I'm going to leave the end towards the place that I already removed by the side. So that's going to be my handle. I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say, because I can't really show you what is going on here. I just want to encourage you guys to try and wax yourself at home, because there are so many reasons why some people don't want somebody to wax for them, because sometimes some people are, maybe you're not, maybe you're shy, you feel awkward or whatever it is. But waxing is something that you can do for yourself at home. You don't have to go to the clinic to get it done. Okay, so guys, this is it right here. And now I'm going to just do the cleanup strip, and that will be all. It's so easy. I told you guys, make sure you wax yourself every 4 weeks, and you're not going to have to go back to the painful waxing experience before. No, you won't have to go back to that. If you keep it going every 4 weeks, or you wax yourself every 4 weeks, the pain is going to significantly drop. I promise you. All I need to do now is to go over with my after wax spray right here, and I'm going to use it to remove any excess wax I have on my skin. So I will spray, and then I'll rub it in, and all the wax is going to be peeling off. All the excess wax is going to be peeling off, and it's also going to help with my ingrown hair as well. That is, let me know in the comment section if you are going to try. I really want you to try. I want you to try and wax yourself, and tag me if you post on TikTok or whatever. I want to see your results. Tag me in your post. I want to see you wax yourself at home. You don't have to go to any wax parlor to do it. You can do it for yourself, just like the way I did mine. If you get the waxing kit from Trace Wellness, it comes with everything. I've been using this wax, and it's been working so good for me. See you in my next video.